Well, okay, we are back in our sample rock castle construction file in our QuickBooks program, and we're going to primarily be concerned with the vendor center in our standard workflow on our home page. We are going to be creating a bill using the Enter Bills icon. All you have to do is click on the icon and that will open up a blank bill. This is a handy thing if you're going to enter maybe a handful of bills, because you can either save and close or save and new. May have one or two bills at a time that you might want to enter at once. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to pretend like we have in hand a bill for our gas and electric. And our vendor is Cal Gas and Electric. So we're going to click on the drop down here. And as you can see, our vendor opens up and we can start typing that to skip down to the correct file and then just select it, or the correct vendor, I mean. And as you can see, we've already got it set up in our vendor center to automatically tag for the gas and electric account. That saves us lots of time when we're doing this. We're looking at our bill. We're going to put the bill number, which for our purposes is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can see the amount due on that is $350 to make it simple. And this is for November charges. So we're going to go ahead and put November charges. Copy that to the other and paste. Make sure everything looks fine with that. And then we're going to go ahead and we can either save and close if we're done with that, or we can save and new to do another one. So let's go ahead and save and new and do one more. And of course it prompts us to assign a class. So go ahead and cancel out of that, and that will bring us back to our class. And we can adjust these columns so that we can get to those. We're going to call this one overhead because that's basically what it is. It's overhead. So we're going to save and new and do another one. Okay. All right. So now we want to do our phone. So let's see who our phone vendor is, if we have one. Here we go, Cal Telephone. And sometimes if you're new and you're trying to figure things out, it's good just to go ahead and look through the list until you find it. Now this one is not tagged to a particular expense, so we can actually start typing telephone and it will pop up on the list there. So let's choose that. And we have the bill sitting here, and we're going to do the reference number for that. Let's say it's showing 789123. The amount due for that, you type that in off of the bill, and it's $119.67. And again, since it's for the same thing, November charges, what we copied before, we can just paste in those same areas. And we're going to go ahead and tag it to the overhead class. Make sure everything looks good on here. And then now we're going to save and close, and we're going to look at both of those vendors real quick. Okay. So we're going to go to the vendor center. And as you can see, we have that bill in here for $350. And also we have If you look at the account settings for that vendor, we already have the gas and electric account tagged to that, which is why it came up. Now let's go to Cal Telephone. We did not have that tagged to it, I'm fairly certain, so let's go and see. We can do that now, and just start typing it and select it. So that way, in the future, when you're calling up that vendor, it will show that in the expenses tab, and that'll save you some time. And so if you have one or two bills to enter, that's a quick way to enter one or two bills at one time by using the Enter Bills button on the home screen. So hopefully you learned something from this short tutorial today. We'll see you again soon. Take care.